CBSE Term 2 Board Exam 2022, Top 6 Tips to Learn More in Less Time Before Exam. For a student, appearing in the board exams is no less than going for a battle. You have to get ready with all your arms and weapons to return victorious. For the board exams, every student tries to prepare the best and is always having a thought what to do else, till the last moment. This is quite obvious and nothing is extraordinary with this. After all, a student's future career prospects and plans are dependent on marks obtained in board exams to some extent. Now that only a few days are left for the exams to take place, this is the time that should be utilized strategically to polish your preparations and make your mind all set to tackle the exam-related stress. Here are some tips given below which students should follow to perform outstandingly in their board exams. 1. Strengthen your strong areas. It's time to focus on what you already know. Because the task of learning the whole syllabus within a couple of weeks is almost impossible. The wise thing would be to revise the topics that you have learned before. Moreover, you don't need to remember each and every point covered in a topic. For example, if you are revising the chapter circles, then no need to solve each and every question included in the chapter. All you need is to learn the related properties and theorems by heart. This way you'll be able to solve the related question by applying the terms and formulas you learned. Thus, it's important to simply connect yourself with the idea of the topic. So, invest your time to master the topics you already know. It will help you get an immense boost of confidence. 2. Study in small chunks. This is what really worked for many CBSE toppers. Actually, no one likes to learn the 1.5-page long boring sagas of the emperors and warriors of history. It is like the toughest job for every one of us. In fact, my history teacher once advised me to learn the essay type answers by breaking them into small paragraphs. Then it didn't seem to be a big thing for me. It helped me to score above 80 in my class 10 exams. So I think this trick of learning the long answers by breaking them into small chunks can prove to be effective for everyone. This also helps to retain the information for a long time. So guys, avoid studying big because bigger things seem like an obstacle. It seems like you can't ever surpass them. 3. Keep your body active and attentive. It's not possible for me to sit and study in the same position for a longer period. It makes me dormant for a period. Even experts suggest changing your body positions at least once in half an hour. It may cause a fall in your body's glucose level, which leads to an ultimate fall in your concentration. So, to keep your body alive, keep your body moving. Whenever you feel like losing focus, change your sitting position, stretch out your body to awaken each part of it, change your study space or move your feet. This would help you become more alert and active while studying. 4. Keep distractions away. Distractions could be of many kinds. You only need to identify and discard them. Today, the biggest distraction that follows you every time is your mobile phone. Your phone beeps every single second and you are to check it without any late. This has become habitual among most students. They can't stay away from their phones at any cost. But this is the biggest hurdle in your preparations for the exam. So try to make a distance with your phone while studying and let your mind concentrate on studies only. Some other distractions may include negative thoughts about not completing the syllabus or not being well prepared for the exam. When this happens to you, then inject positive messages to your brain like, I completed this much and only this much is left. I'll complete it. 5. Work with your productivity cycles. For everyone, there is a peak time in a day during which her mind can grab the things most efficiently. Some students can learn well at night while some others find the morning time the best to absorb large stuff of studies. It's up to you only which period of the day works well for you. Just click into your favorite study time to gain more in less time. Try to take out the best of this time if you want to have the best result in your board exams. 6. Nap down to rest your mind. This is much required when your mind gets exhausted after working hard for long hours. Your brain needs time to recharge after it processes a bunch of information. Tired and fatigued like other body parts, it loses its efficiency to take in any more information
24/7
for you. Now, It's your duty to let it shut down and regain its power. Get a nap when you feel dozy and are no more able to focus on what you have been learning. Otherwise, sitting forcefully and slouching over your book is absolute wastage of energy and time. After a 20-30 minute nap, your mind gets refreshed and recharged to gain more things with little effort only. Last but not the least, keep your determination power at the peak so that you never fail to stick to the above stated tricks, which will help you to make it a huge success in your board exams. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. All the best.